Imagine your body as a complex city with roads and highways constantly delivering essential resources. These roads are your blood vessels, and if something blocks them, it can cause major problems. That's when vascular surgeons step in. They're the experts in keeping your blood vessels healthy and functioning properly. Today, we'll explore the basics of vascular surgery, explaining what these specialists do and why their work matters, and this playlist is dedicated to explaining the world of vascular surgery, procedures designed to treat these conditions and restore healthy blood flow. Vascular surgery encompasses a wide range of procedures that address issues affecting arteries, veins, and lymphatic vessels. These vessels are vital for delivering oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body and returning deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Problems within the vascular system can manifest in various ways, including atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in the arteries, leading to narrowing or blockages, aneurysms, bulges in the artery walls, which can rupture and cause life-threatening bleeding, varicose veins, enlarged, twisted veins, usually in the legs, blood clots, which can block blood flow and cause serious complications. Vascular surgeons use a variety of techniques to treat these conditions, including both open surgical procedures and minimally invasive endovascular techniques. Some common vascular surgeries include angioplasty and stenting to open blocked arteries, carotid endarterectomy to remove plaque from the carotid arteries in the neck, aneurysm repair to reinforce weakened artery walls, bypass surgery to create new pathways for blood flow around blockages. Restoring healthy blood flow is crucial for preventing serious complications such as heart attack, stroke, limb loss, and other health issues. In this playlist, we'll delve into each of these procedures, explaining what they are, how they work, and what patients can expect during recovery. We'll break down complex medical information into easy-to-understand animations and explanations. Click the links below to explore specific vascular surgeries. We encourage you to watch the videos that are most relevant to you. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for any health concerns. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about keeping your body healthy, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep bringing you easy-to-understand medical information like this.